Well, hello there. This is Pansy. This one is Pansy. Yeah, okay, which one's this one? That's the mama. There's Pansy. There's Pansy. Hi, Pansy girl. Tell her. Uh-oh, Pansy. What'd you find? What'd you find, Pansy? Come on. Are you playing with Daisy girl? Yeah, there's our golden retriever. Yeah, she knows she can't come in because she's too big. She might step on them.